Meet the Coral One. It's the first vacuum robot and convenient handheld all-in-one, designed for the way you actually clean. One gets the everyday messes made by hairy beasts, budding bakers, and binge watchers. The other gets what the robot can't, like up here, and there, and definitely this stuff right here. Powered by a world-class motor, the high-pressure suction leaves no crumb, dust, or hair behind, no matter the surface. Super strong cyclonic suction here means dirt can't escape out here either. The Coral One's innovative smart sensors keep it away from obstacles and out of tough spots, so it can get more of your floor in one go. Ergonomic design keeps things comfortable while you're getting the details. Together, they make all-over cleaning less of a chore. It's a robot for the everyday and a handheld for the here and there. Two types of clean in one machine.